Good day to all students. In this video lesson, we are going to conduct activities describing the properties of solution involving different materials. Okay, before we proceed to the activity, let us complete the statements below by choosing the correct answers from the given choices in the box. Okay, these are the choices: solvent, solute, soluble, insoluble, greater, and smaller. Okay, a blank is a substance used to dissolve a blank. A solvent is a substance used to dissolve a solute. It is of the greater amount. Okay, mas marami yung solvent. While a solute is a substance that is being dissolved. It is of the blank amount. Okay, smaller amount. There are substances that can be dissolved in the given solvent. It is called soluble. While the materials that can't be dissolved is called insoluble. Okay, for vocabulary words related to properties of solutions, mixture, a physical blend of two or more substances that preserve their identities and are blended in the form of solution, suspension, or colloid. Okay, sa video ito, ang pag-aaralan muna natin is about solution. Later on, we are going to discuss the suspensions and colloids. Solution, a homogeneous mixture of one or more solutes dissolved in a solvent. Uniform mixture is a homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture have the same composition throughout. When we say homo, that is the same or one. There's only one phase or state of matter observed in a uniform homogeneous mixture. By definition, solutions are uniform homogeneous mixture. Filtration, a process used to separate solids from liquids or gases using a filter medium that allows the fluid to pass through but not the solid. Okay, basahin niyo po itong short story or short narration about why the sea is salty. So, sundan niyo na lang po, hindi ko na ito babasahin. Okay, let us answer these guide questions based on the short story. Okay, based on folklore, why do the fresh water from sea became salty? Okay, because the bricks of salt dissolved in sea water. Yun, nabasa natin na habang bitbit ng million of worker, mayroong giant wave, kaya nasira yung bamboo bridge and then natunaw, nahulog yung mga bricks of salt and then natunaw. So what happens to the bricks of salt that made the water salty? Okay, dissolution of bricks of salt, yung pagkatunaw nga ng bricks of salt. What is formed when a solute like salt dissolves in a solvent like water? Okay, the solute seems to disappear because the solution has only one appearance, as if the solute was lost. So it also formed the so-called water and salt solution. Okay, how many phases of matter can be seen in a salt solution? Okay, there is only one phase, or the distribution is uniform throughout. Okay, for the students activity, para mapatunayan natin yung, o para makita natin yung iba't ibang properties of solution, let us conduct this activity. The title is Properties of Solution. What are some properties of solutions? So, objectives to determine which substances have the properties of solution. So, the materials needed: sugar, salt, transparent plastic cup, similar in sizes, powder juice, cooking oil, 6 cups of water, cheesecloth, mungo seeds, and 6 pieces spoons. Okay, for instruction, perform an experiment to know which substances exhibit the properties of solution and predict which among the given samples will dissolve in water. Write your predictions in column 2 of table 1. Okay, put 1 cup of water in each of the cups. Add 1/2 teaspoon of each of the 6 samples. Use the teaspoon to dissolve as much of each sample as possible. Use a different teaspoon for each of the cups. Ito po yung natin, table na sasagutan. Pero yung prediction po ninyo, kung matutunaw ba dito, yes or no, dito sa column 2. So, ito naman, ito yung actual na after the experiment. What will be the appearance after the experiment? O, number of phase after the experiment and can be separated by filtration using the cheesecloth. And the answer should be solution or not in column number 6. O, filter the mixture with filter paper using a setup similar to figure 1. Ayan. Kung wala naman kayong setup na ganyan, pwede naman yung improvise materials and you may make your own filtration setup kung wala tayong ganitong materials. So, panoorin po natin ito.
Masala pa, sigo.
Halo-halo, ada Pak. Sih, masyarakat ya. Halo-halo. Cek. Salin lang bro, shoot. Saya. Ini apa yang mana? Bawasan. Diba nggak salah?
Memang dikit-dikit pa siya man. Tidak start nih bro.
Dah, dikit.
Di mana nih? Di lagi nih. Oke, ini tinggal ini. Yun, kitang daan ng liwanag.
Kira.
hindi? Sugar. Asing kilig. Okay, pwede na po nating sagutan ito based dun sa actual experiment. Sugar will dissolve in 1 cup of water, yes or no? Okay, nakita naman natin yes. What about the appearance, uniform or not? Okay, uniform. Number of phases, only 1. Cannot be separated by filtration, therefore that is a solution. What about salt? Okay, yes, dissolved in water. Uniform. 1. Cannot be separated by filtration, and of course solution. Mango seeds, okay, no. Appearance, not uniform. Number of pieces, 2 or more. Okay, can be separated by filtration, and of course the answer is not a solution. What about powdered juice? Okay, yes. Uniform, pero yung iba po na powdered na yung hindi masyadong natunaw, siguro masyadong marami lang. So sunod nating topic yung tinatawag na saturated and unsaturated. Pero kung kunti lang, yung tama lang is uniform. Number of phase, okay, 1. Cannot be separated by filtration. Of course, that is solution. Okay, cooking oil, no. Kita naman natin, hindi na imimixed. Appearance, not uniform. Okay, 2. Cannot be separated by filtration kasi parehas lumagpas sa cloth. But that is not a solution. Kasi nga, not uniform and has 2 number of phase. So, white vinegar and water, yes. Uniform. 1 number of phase and cannot be separated by filtration and a solution. So, kung titignan natin sa table na ito, ano yung mga requirements para masabing solution mixture? So, of course, uniform has only 1 number of phase and cannot be separated by filtration. Yung tatlong requirement po na yun. Okay, sagutan natin itong guide questions. Describe the mixture that resulted after mixing. Write your answer in column 3 of table 1. Nandun na nga po. Pero majority of the materials were totally dissolved in water except mungo and oil. Okay, how many phases have you observed? Write your answer in observations in column 4. Okay, when the material dissolved in water, the number of observable phase is only 1. But in case of mungo and water mixture, 2 phases were observed. So, identify the solute in each of the mixtures. Write your answers on the space provided below. Okay, the solute are sugar, salt, vinegar, and powdered juice. Okay, what is the solvent in each of the mixtures? Okay, of course, the universal solvent, which is the water. In which mixture were you able to separate the components solute and solvent by filtration? Okay, that is mungo seeds and water. Which of the samples are solutions? Okay, solutions are sugar and water, salt and water, powdered juice and water, and yung isa pa, vinegar and water. Do you consider solution as homogeneous mixture? Yes, because it has only 1 phase or 1 appearance or uniform throughout. Okay, for formative assessment, all the following describes a solution except, okay, letter D, can be separated by physical means. Ito yung hindi kasama dyan sa nagdi-describe sa solution. When salt dissolved in water, the mixture is a... Okay, the answer is a solution. Which of the following is a homogeneous mixture? Okay, the answer is letter D. Kasi ang A is oil and water, sand and water, halo-halo. So, ang tawag dun is mga heterogeneous mixture. Okay, number 4, homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture are different because heterogeneous has 2 substances while homogeneous has 3 or more substances. Homogeneous looks the same throughout. With heterogeneous, you can see the different parts. Heterogeneous looks the same throughout. With homogeneous, you can see the different parts. Both have an equal number of substances. Okay, the answer is letter B. This type of mixture contains 2 or more substances that are visibly distinguishable.